I wanted to give you an idea of what I've been working on and what kind of challenges I've been facing with your Great Aunt's trunk here. And you see the paint, the rivets, the edging is all on. All of the edging I had to make from scratch and form. There are over 350 rivets in this footlocker. Little smudges are just fingerprints. But as you can see, I think it looks pretty good. It's a dark navy. One of the problems I had is I actually had some leather straps made for this. I wasn't very happy with the straps, so I ended up making my own. So this has taken quite a bit of my time too. But I just wanted you to get a chance to see. This is the tray that goes in there with the printed design that was on the original lining. So I just I think I'm going to need some more time, and I wanted you to see it and let me know if you see anything that you are concerned about. But it's just been really a bigger project than I even imagined, but it's been fun, and I think if I can get it another week. I've been working, day and night for the last 3 weeks, just trying to get everything put together, and it's just a big task. So I appreciate you entrusting me with this treasure, and I'll give you another update. Thanks. I wanted to also give you an idea of what the inside's looking like. So there it is. The little gaps that you see in the corners, I will fill in, and I think it's looking pretty nice. Thanks.